Hi everyone, I'm Rick Slark and welcome to the framework we call Project Board. It's an overview of important projects which require attention and resources. The Framework Project Board gives an overview of the process of organizing various tasks in projects and project categories. In the framework, the tasks and projects have been categorized in different groups. There's a lot of ways to group your projects. You can do it by internal or external focus, by time frame, or by the business area. A key point of this framework is that if you categorize the projects in different groups, you can more easily decide how to prioritize your resources. Here are some topics for discussion. Which projects are the most important right now? Have all projects been tracked? Are too many projects ongoing at the same time? Are there too much focus on internal projects compared to client projects? Are the right projects put on hold for the future? And here's a few decisions you may have to make if you consider this framework. Number one, top priority projects. Which current projects should have top priority? Number two is the project breakdown. Should you group your projects by focus, internal, external, time frame, business area, or something else? And number three, resource distribution. How should you distribute the company resources between your current projects? If you'd like more information on this framework project board, reach out to me at rick@slarkconsultinggroup.com.